So of course, let's cut our egg and confirm. Hi guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Faiza. I do easy homemade recipes. So if you're new here, feel welcome and remember to hit that subscriber button for amazing content. And if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel and watching my content. So today I'm going to do a breakfast item, and that is an omelette. I'm going to do a breakfast item, and that is an omelette. So please feel welcome, watch and subscribe. So our ingredients today are, of course, our 2 eggs. We have onion. We have our green pepper, yellow pepper, 1 tomato, dhania or coriander, cabbage. We're going to use just a portion, and our carrots. So I'm going to show you the quantity of the ingredients I'm going to use for these 2 eggs. So guys, if you watched the video so far to this point, it means you liked it. Make sure you give it a like, because it will be suggested more to other people, so more people will be coming to watch. That is how the YouTube algorithm works. Guys, we're going to heat up our pan. Make sure it's dry. Then add oil. Add our oil. Then reduce our heat. So let the oil heat up a little bit, just a little. Then add our mixture. This is our mixture. Going to add it there. So give it some time, just a little time. Make sure it does not stick beneath. So do not worry about the excess oil. At times you can drain that oil using serviettes. What we need is our egg not sticking. So once our egg is starting to get ready from beneath, you can cover that and divide it into two like that. Like that. This is to preserve heat. The reason why we fold that, we make a fold, is to preserve heat in that egg. This omelette, quite sure guys, this is a healthy omelette because it contains veggies. Yeah, so you have a piece of bread, a cup of tea, you're good to go. So next is to flip that. Be pressing to make sure the egg is cooked, or the eggs are cooked. Press down. Some people love their eggs not well done at this stage. Some people eat their eggs at this particular stage. Some, like me, love my eggs well done. Please do not mind my baby at the background. And flip that again. See? That's how you can easily make a breakfast item. In this case, it's our omelette. Yeah. So you keep pressing down to make sure, if you want it well done, to make sure it's well cooked inside. That is how you do it. You turn again. And our egg is ready. It's very ready. So of course, let's cut our egg and confirm. See how our egg looks like? So guys, of course, it's that time to have a taste of our amazing omelette. Of course, I put a piece of bread there just to show you. Yeah, so we can have a taste. Here is our omelette, guys. Let's just remove that piece of bread. That's how it is. Guys, this is amazing. This is our omelette. See? Amazing. This is pretty nice. Guys, try this recipe. So of course I have a piece of bread. Some tea. This is amazing. Try the mixture of carrots and cabbage there. Amazing. So guys, you can try out this recipe and then come back with feedback. I'm sure what I'm showing you guys or what I'm giving you guys is the best. Yeah. So please, if you like this video or if you watched this far, give it a thumbs up. Yeah. So make sure you subscribe down below. Please subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my content. Let me see you in the next episode of Easy Recipes by Faiza.